Top 10 inventions on a whole new level. Number 10. Spacetop. Great news for laptop enthusiasts. A model with a 100-inch screen has finally been invented. Well, it's only a virtual laptop, but no one will be able to peek, so you can comfortably chat with your friends and watch funny cat videos while at work. It features 8 GB of RAM, a Snapdragon 865 processor, and a 256 GB hard drive. The laptop runs on Android, weighs only 1.5 kilograms, and costs around $2,000. And don't worry if your vision's not perfect, the company will provide prescription glasses if you need them. Number 9. Sixth finger. Why would someone feel the need to create a robotic sixth finger? A team from France and Japan has its own answer. It can be beneficial in prosthetic development. Specifically, the team is studying how the brain responds to this upgrade. If test participants perceive the robotic finger as part of their own body, which part of the brain is involved in this process? Looking ahead, these studies could lead to the creation of artificial body parts that will wear like clothing. Well, why not? Perhaps someday, alongside their amazing laptops, some IT specialists might desire a couple of extra fingers too. Number 8. Pterodynamics XP4. The delivery of new fingers could be handled by these drones from the US. The XP4 model is designed to carry loads of up to 7 kilograms and can reach speeds of 111 kilometers per hour. And that's not even its maximum speed, just the cruising speed. Moreover, the wings fold, allowing the drone to take off and land vertically. One of the prototypes is currently being tested by the US Navy, and the design can be scaled up to accommodate 5 passengers, which makes it cooler than the competition. Number 7. Pivot buoy. How big is the wind energy market? Well, in the US alone, 16 states cover 10% of their energy consumption through wind power, and there's much more potential to explore. This Spanish project is particularly noteworthy because it's a floating design that can be easily scaled up. They're currently testing the prototype and determining the capacity of the future fully developed versions, aiming for turbine. The project has already secured financing at EU level, involving millions of dollars, and has partnered up with Intex C, a company connected with the Iran-Oman gas pipeline project. Number 6. Hypershell. Deep inside, we yearn to get rid of the natural limitations, walk deeper into the forest, climb higher mountains, and challenge the unprecedented speed limits, say the creators of this exoskeleton. While it's not quite like Tony Stark's suit, it comes at a modest price of $300. With this exoskeleton, you can work more efficiently, travel farther, and experience less fatigue as it compensates for up to 30 kilograms of weight and can cover a distance of 25 kilometers on a single charge. You can even reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour in it. Not enough to outrun a bear, but certainly enough to leave annoying fellow hikers behind. The weight of the exoskeleton, including 2 batteries, is 2.4 kilograms. Number 5. Bomborum Wave. Here's another fascinating development. A system that generates electricity from waves. The concept is straightforward. Pressure fluctuations in the membrane causes air movement, which in turn rotates the turbine, and the results speak for themselves. During tests in Portugal, a 40 converter installation produced 60 megawatts of power. It seems that the authorities share the same sentiment. As the team has already been invited to the Europe Wave program, focused on wave energy, and received funding from the European Regional Development Fund. Number 4. The cryptide sneakers. Have you ever come across footprints that seemed mysterious and out of place? They might have been left by Bigfoot, or by the owner of these unique shoes. A designer from Germany combined 3D printing with legends about cryptids, creatures from modern mythology, to create this footwear. The main material used is TPE polymer, which is also commonly used for smartphone covers and soft pads on toothbrush handles. One of the advantages of these shoes is its thin but durable parts. Even with a thickness of about 1 millimeter, they can withstand the elements, including hot sun and rain. To create these shoes, the designer chose the Sintratec S2 SLS printer, the same one used by Daimler to print spare parts. Number 3. 4-active. Once, Volvo conducted a series of crash tests for rescue training, which included dropping 10 cars from a height of 30 meters. This was just one of the many tests they conducted to improve car safety. However, for less extreme tests, cost becomes a factor. For this purpose, they use special vehicle targets, mock-ups of the required vehicles that can be quickly assembled on a special platform. Within a few minutes, the target can be prepared and accelerated to a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. This serves as an ideal solution for testing unmanned systems, as the vehicle targets are detected by radar, infrared systems, and scanners as the real ones. Number 2. Jizai arm. If you don't need robots yet, keep an eye out for extra arms. These ones come from Japan and can be attached to a special backpack. No need to recreate the Dr. Octopus experience. The backpack can support up to 6 arms, and the entire setup weighs 15 kilograms. The arms can be controlled either by the wearer using a joystick or remotely by operators, 1 arm per person. Another great feature is that the system is modular, allowing users to swap arms with other backpack owners. This could be particularly useful for professions like hairdressers, massage therapists, and construction workers. And who knows, maybe in the future, neurocontrol will be integrated into it too. Number 1. Zero-type human. Japan is facing a potential labor shortage of over 11 million people by 2040. To address this issue proactively, they're introducing railroad robots, which could reduce the workforce by up to 30%. The remaining workers will operate them remotely using VR glasses, controlling the robots from special cabins and displaying the tasks directly on their bosses' computers. These robots will be valuable for various tasks, such as repairing traffic lights, replacing signs, and working with wires. Collectively, these inventions represent a bold leap forward into a future where innovation knows no bounds, offering solutions to diverse challenges and unlocking new possibilities for human advancement. With that, if you haven't already, subscribe, comment, and share, and we see you in the next video.